Hi guys, it's Ray Newland here, the founder of the E-commerce Lifestyle Academy. I hope you're fitting well. Excuse me. So if you're on this watching this quick video, you're on the About Me page. So rather than just writing a big long page that you've got to read, I just want to do a very quick video. And the reason why I want to do a quick video, one, it's more personal, but also as well, I'll be able to show you live all the other things that I do online. And the reason why I want to show you things that I do online is that you can go and do your due diligence on myself, and you can see that I'm very much genuine and above board. I've got multiple websites. Obviously, my main one of my main websites is e-commerce, hence the reason obviously I've created the e-commerce Lifestyle Academy. But also, I'm not one of these so-called gurus. I actually don't see myself as a guru, by the way. But I'm not one of these gurus that hide behind a laptop. With the e-commerce Lifestyle Academy, it's very much personal. I actually speak to people live every single day, whether it's via Zoom or whether I'm actually shoulder to shoulder with them in the warehouse or I'm meeting up in a hotel. So this is completely unique to anything else that you've seen anywhere on the internet. I'll guarantee it, there'll be nothing like this anywhere else, because I'm looking for partners, and I will not leave your side until you're earning at least six figures at least six figures in sales each year or each month. Obviously, it depends on how much effort that you want to put in. Now, before I explain and go through everything and show you who I am, and obviously I'm going to show you basically sort of like where I've come from and what I've done each section of my life. Whether or not you've come here today, whether you've already got your own e-commerce website, business and brands, and you're not earning the income that you want for yourself, or maybe you're just a newbie getting going and you've no idea what to do, but you've just heard about this e-commerce thing. Whatever you've come here for today, if you're looking to be successful and create some type of business around e-commerce, you've 1,000,000% come to the right place. I've been doing this a long time. Also, as well, once you've listened to once you watch this quick video about me, go onto the homepage. There's another quick video as well, guys, and it explains what the e-commerce academy is e-commerce Lifestyle Academy is all about. Sorry, put my teeth back in, because these different services that we do. And also as well, I never ask for your email address. Okay, so again, I know that you might have been on similar websites before, and as soon as you put your email address in, you'll get bombarded with sales emails. I hate it when people do it to me, so I'm not going to embarrass myself or insult you by doing the same. I've also not got the time, to be honest with you, because I'm too busy myself in the e-commerce, obviously with my e-commerce sorts of products and services, etc. But as I say, yeah, just go onto the homepage whenever you get a moment, choose whatever option you got for yourself. I don't ask for your email, and the videos are about 30 to 40 minutes long. I'd recommend that you grab a pen and paper, just get some quiet time. And again, if you are looking for e-commerce to replace your income, and I don't care what income you're earning at the moment, e-commerce can replace your income, and very quickly as well. So please invest 30 to 40 minutes tops, depending on which video that you watch. Get a pen and paper and just go and watch it. And if it's for you, fantastic. Reach out to me, and we'll personally have a chat. To see if we can work together, because we will be personally working together. And if it's not for you, fine. Again, at least you've checked it out. Okay, so yeah. So once you watch this quick video, obviously pop along to the homepage and just look at the videos. Okay, so this obviously this website has been going obviously as I've been chatting away. So basically, my name's Ray Newland. I'm the founder of e-commerce Lifestyle Academy. But again, I'm just doing this quick video so you can go and do some due diligence on me. So again, I don't want to be like these other about me pages where it's just like a big long blog, load of text, and you've got to take obviously the person's word for it. So I'm doing it so you can go and write down the website, go and check me out, and you'll see that I'm very much genuine. Now, before I get onto the e-commerce business and the history about myself, go and check out raynewland.com. That'll tell you a bit more about me. I'm the author of several books. I'm into the mindset big time, so I've wrote several books on a subject of mindset. You can even go to Amazon, type in Ray Newland, and all my books will pop up, and you'll see that I'm very much real. It's not a hint for you to buy my books, by the way, but I'm obviously just letting you know that I am actually online. So just go and check out raynewland.com. Also as well, go to Google and type in my name, Ray Newland, and my Wikipedia will pop up. And most of my Wikipedia page is about my background as a ex-professional. So I was a professional goalkeeper in soccer or football, to choose the proper word. And as you can see from obviously all my things that my dad put together for me, that's just a brief history of all the best paper clippings that obviously that my dad kept for me. So obviously they're all behind me. So my background is, my dream was to become a professional goalkeeper. So obviously I'm going to explain a bit about me now. So at 18, I achieved my dream to become a professional goalkeeper, and for 10 years I lived my dream until I was 28 years of age, and a freak training ground injury basically finished my career overnight. And I went from living my dream job, playing in front of tens of thousands of supporters every single week in the stadiums where we performed with my teammates, to basically within a few months being broke, in debt, and living in rented accommodation, because I basically never had a plan B. I thought I was going to play football until I was 65 years of age. I was very, very naive, like most of my teammates were. However, thankfully in 1998, after 18 months being in a dead-end job, I actually started Just for Keepers, which is a specialised goalkeeping coaching schools, obviously for goalkeepers. So that was started in 1998. And I'm very proud to say that Just for Keepers went on to become the leading and largest goalkeeping schools in the world. At its peak, we were in 37 countries across 6 continents, and we've coached well over 500,000 goalkeeper students. So our students range between the age of 6 years of age up to 18 years of age. So we focus primarily on obviously coaching the kids. And I'm also very, very proud to say that we've helped more young goalkeepers achieve their dreams than any other similar organisation in history. I'm actually the only goalkeeping coach in history to take a goalkeeping concept around the world. Now, this is something that I still do to this day. It's something that I'm incredibly passionate about, and I still travel all over the world, giving goalkeepers an opportunity to achieve their dreams. Now, on the back of Just for Keepers, that led me into the e-commerce world. So I actually started, and by the way, I had no idea what e-commerce was. It wasn't until about 4 years ago, really, that I realised I was in the e-commerce business, because I actually only started taking the e-commerce probably seriously about 4 or 5 years ago, even though the J4K gloves are one of the biggest goalkeeping glove brands in the world. So basically J4K, by the way, that's basically short for my goalkeeping schools, Just for Keepers. So I started J4K, and again, I'm very proud to say it's one of the biggest glove brands in the world. And the reason why is that we work incredibly hard in J4K to provide top of the range goalkeeping gloves, but basically they're the same top of the range goalkeeping gloves as the so-called big brands, but the J4K gloves are basically half the price. And because obviously we provide such a quality product for half the price, as you can imagine, we get a lot of loyalty. However, I think we get obviously a lot of customers. However, we've got to put the quality first, and we do work incredibly hard, obviously, to make sure that we get the best product possible at the cheapest price possible, not only for the goalkeepers, but also the parents of the goalkeepers as well. We basically help tens of thousands of parents of goalkeepers every single year save a fortune on their goalkeeping gloves. And also what's nice as well, you see all these goalkeepers here. This is Onrad. Hopefully, I can pronounce his name correctly. He's actually an ex-J4K student. He did Just for Keepers in the Czech Republic, because Just for Keepers, as I say, has been in many, many countries. This is our UK website, but we've got websites obviously for the United States, Canada, Czech Republic, France, etc. So Onrad, he actually came through the ranks as a youngster. So we basically helped Onrad since he was a kid, and he now plays for Manchester United. This guy here did Just for Keepers in England, and he now plays for Brighton. So this is Brighton, which is a Premiership club in England. There's Onrad again, wearing a different pair of goalkeeper gloves. This young lady here, I forgot, she's either Slovakian or Hungarian. I think this is the Hungarian colours. So again, she come through our goalkeeping schools in Slovakia or Hungary, and she wears J4K. So that's basically, obviously, my timeline, guys, and where I am now. So I've gone from being a professional goalkeeper, starting my own goalkeeping coaching schools, being an author, and I've been in e-commerce now for over 12 years. And as I say, what the e-commerce lifestyle academy is all about is basically I'm looking for partners to help obviously develop their product, because I've got a massive warehouse, guys, okay, yeah, and I'm looking to help. I'm giving you guys an incentive to help you become successful, and I'm hoping that you put your products in my warehouse. Now, you're not obligated to do that, but I'm hoping if I give you tremendous value and I get to personally know you as a friend, that you'll put your products in the warehouse. If you don't, not a problem. We'll still be friends. But obviously, that's what the e-commerce lifestyle academy is all about. Also, a bit personally about myself, I married my childhood sweetheart, Paula. Her name's Paula. We first got together when we were 12 years of age, but she was too serious. She wanted a long-term relationship and all that, and it just never worked out, okay? But yeah, 12 years of old, she wanted too much commitment. Anyway, we got back together at 17 years of age, and we've been together ever since. And I'm very fortunate that I actually do my e-commerce business with my wife and my daughters, and I encourage anyone that does their e-commerce business with their family as well. Now, there's just a quick image of my wife, Paula. Yeah, guys. Yep, she's very pretty. I am punching way above my weight. Okay, I get that. I understand. So that's my wife, Paula. Also, my oldest daughter, Ashley, who she doesn't like to be on a pictures anywhere, but she actually runs the warehouse for myself as well. So it's a family-run business, and also as well, this is my youngest daughter, Mackenzie, and again, as you can see, she gets her fabulous looks. She does all the modelling for the. She's actually a goalkeeper herself. She actually does all the modelling for the females and the girls' goalkeeping gear. So again, as I say, yeah, she got the looks from her mother. I'm originally from Liverpool, England. But with my goalkeeping background, obviously I've played all over the United Kingdom. With my goalkeeping schools, I travel all over the world. So now I live in between the United Kingdom and the UK. But also now at the moment, I'm actually in negotiations with not 100. I'm not going to mention the country yet, just in case it puts the mockers on things. But actually looking, negotiating on actually moving to a European country as well. So I'll be living in between England, this European country, and also the United States, and that's all to do with my goalkeeping coaching skills. But the beauty about e-commerce and why I love it so much, as long as I've got an internet connection and a laptop, I can basically be anywhere in the world running my e-commerce business. In fact, there's many times that I'll go camping with my wife and my daughter, and we can be gone for 2-3 weeks, and literally from a tent in a campsite in the middle of nowhere, I can run my business. That's obviously, that's because I've put everything in place. There's a system in place. You just can't do that. You've got to put a system in place. But that's obviously everything we teach in the e-commerce lifestyle. So that's everything about myself, guys. So hopefully, the reason why I've done it this way via video, I'm telling you a bit about myself, but I've also told you the history of how obviously I've progressed from being a professional goalkeeper, starting my own goalkeeping schools, to being where I am now in the e-commerce world. So again, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Okay, yeah, if you're interested, go to the homepage, watch the other quick 6 or 7 minute video. That will tell you what best service is for you. And hopefully, fingers crossed, obviously, you'll get in contact with myself, because I do invite you to personally speak to me to see if we can work together to partner up. And if you do, I look forward to introducing, I will introduce you to my wife and my family. And hopefully I'll get to meet you and you. Obviously, I'll get to meet you and your family. And not only do I get forward to potentially put my teeth back in and start again, not only do I look forward to potentially getting to know you as a business partner, but more importantly, as a friend. Okay, all the best, and I hope to see you on the inside. Take care for now.